Oh, yeah.
Like finding a needle in a haystack. Easier said than found. When something is extremely difficult or impossible to find. It's here somewhere. Meaning, to be extremely difficult or nearly impossible to find, especially when hidden among many similar things. Example: the missing microchip was so tiny that finding it in the million parts on the factory floor was like finding a needle in a haystack. It's in here somewhere. Origin: the expression dates back to at least 1532, appearing in writings by Thomas More. The image is literal. Trying to find a tiny metal needle hidden inside a huge pile of hay would be incredibly difficult. Over time, it became a metaphor for searching for something extremely rare, hidden, or hard to locate. Conversation example: have you found the key to that cabinet? Not yet. I've looked everywhere. It's like finding a needle in a haystack. Tell me about it. I've been searching for an hour. I've looked everywhere. When to use it? When searching for something that is very small or hidden. When the thing you're looking for is very rare. When there are too many similar things to search through. When something is extremely hard or almost impossible to locate. I've searched every site, every page, still nothing. Related expressions: a wild goose chase, a long and fruitless search, search high and low, look everywhere for something, a needle in a haystack, something extremely hard to find, looking for a ghost, searching for something that doesn't exist, looking for a needle in a desert, an impossible or hopeless search. Key takeaway: some things are just incredibly hard to find. It takes time, patience, and persistence. Keep looking, don't give up. Brought to you by Idioms Rock.